So this is the time we've all been waiting for. Hamster Kombat Withdrawal is actually activated on Hamster Kombat mini app. So it's a news every one of us have been anticipating, wanting to hear. So now we need to really put you through so that you don't make mistake in withdrawing your Hamster Kombat. So when you come to your Hamster Kombat app, so you click on the airdrop section, then you withdraw. You will discover that Binance Exchange, OKX, Bybit, then Telegram and wallet in Telegram, EBI Exchange, and on-chain exchange, chain airdrop is actually added and be added, and you can now connect it to your Binance in anticipation for airdrop. So in this video, I'll be guiding you on how you can actually connect it to Binance Exchange. So that is what this video is all about. So now when you come there, when you click on Binance Exchange, so it said KYC is required. That means you have to have a Binance account and you've actually verify your ID on Binance. So before you can actually use this option. So, and before you choose Binance, make sure your country actually supports Binance. For those of you in Nigeria, Binance is not acceptable in Nigeria for P2P. I have a Binance account. I'm in Nigeria. I can still operate my Binance account, but I can't convert it to my local currency. So for those of you that Binance is enabled in your country and you are using Binance, this video might be helpful for you. Then when you click, then you said, do you have a Binance account? So if you already have a Binance account, you click on I have it. So when you have it, when you click on it, you can see the deposit starts the 13th. That means today. Then they require something you have here is Hamster Kombat deposit address, the memo. So those are the things we need to actually copy from our Binance account. So now we are going to proceed to our Binance account. So we are going to copy two things: the Hamster Kombat deposit address and also the memo. So we're going to copy it now. Then when we are done, we click on what? Save. So when you come to your Binance account, so you click on wallet. You can see wallet here. So when you click on wallet, then you select deposit. Look at deposit here. So when you click on deposit, then from here, you are going to search for Hamster Kombat from here. So I'm going to type HMSTR, which is Hamster Kombat. Can you see here? So you're going to select Hamster Kombat. Then here is asking us to choose network. Definitely turn network. So you select turn network. It said both Momo and address are required for a successful deposit of Hamster Kombat to Binance. So you click on OK. So here is your Hamster Kombat wallet address. Look at it here. Then here is the Momo. So we are going to copy the two. So we are going to copy the first one, which is our wallet. Then we go back to our Hamster Kombat. So here, this is where we paste our wallet address, the one we copied. So then the Momo, so we go back, we copy our Momo, you copy, then you come back here, then you paste. So when you are done, you click on what? Save. So you wait for some time, then it will be what? Successful. Then from there, when it is time for withdrawal, it will be sent directly to your wallet. So that's a simple step on how you can actually connect it to your Binance account. So for those of you that want to connect to Bybit or other wallets, just make sure you turn on the notification. We are going to send the video on how to guide you on how to copy and how to successfully connect for your withdrawal. See you next time for more updates.